Probably you're watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here as you're trying to open a program recently installed. This error arrived. The program can start because conio-l1-1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue and all you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So, start the countdown. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for entire filename.dll. You can choose any results you want. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see my PC is a 64-bit machine and this is updated. So in this case, I'll be downloading the top 64-bit download files. Strongly recommend you to read this phase. It has multiple fixing methods also. Once the download complete, hit open. Here you can see two files. One is the DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, first open this PC, local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLLs. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop. I've already done this, so they are asking me to replace. And hit continue to give administrator access. Before we proceed, let's check by typing the file name. You can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. So job done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. This is only if you are a 64-bit users. Open this PC one more time, local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named syswow64. It's the home of 64-bit DLLs, and same again. Check this one more time by typing the file name. You can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. So job done for 64-bit users too. Now we can go and restart. In extremely rare cases, if the error occurs, you need to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ and install your program again, and that will surely do it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.